back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing with you guys a super cool hat that actually Briley came up with the concept. We like to go through Joann's or Michael's or wherever and look beyond the circular things, think outside the box, but we like to look for circular things or things that'll work as Mickey ears and use them. This is super cool because it's convertible. You can take the ears off the hat when you're done and just have a cute hat. So I'm gonna show you guys our Lion King theme outfit and show you how we did the hat to match it. But if you like the SVGs, the designs that we used in this video, and you have a Cricut or you have any cutting machine, I would encourage you to become a member of our site, anyrthing.com. Our site has thousands of cut files that you're able to use, and then we also have a business membership where you can sell things with these Disney-inspired sayings on them, and we have tons of other really awesome perks. So you should check it out, anyrthing.com, and let's just get going. Alright, for our Lion King outfit, I just started by making our t-shirt. If you want to know how to make t-shirts, you should follow my channel because I definitely show you guys how to do all the HTV and vinyl things with your Cricut. Then I took on my hat and I made the Never Forget Who You Are. Both of these designs are from our Lion King bundle that are available free to our members, or you can purchase them on anyrthing.com. Again, being a member is more beneficial though. Okay, so I found these cool puff balls at Joann's and I thought they were perfect because they look like little lion ears, and I was having a hard time finding fur fabric anyways. So these were perfect because they have this little rubber band on them and I could slide them right through that little hole on the hat and then just tie them into a knot. So I just tied like 2 or 3 times around to make sure that the little knot was bigger than the hole so that they wouldn't come out, and they really held up really well. And then also, you can take them off if you want. So then I'm just going to make the bow. I got this fabric at Joann's as well, but it is Lion Guard, not Lion King. So I just made sure that the pattern that was on the front was the part that I wanted that represented Lion King rather than the Lion Guard. So it's got Pride Rock and all the little African doodads. And then I used a rubber band to hold it together and then just wrapped ribbon around it and hot glued that on. The more you watch my videos, the more you'll see that I just kind of pick and choose by the day how I do my bows, but this is one of my favorite ways. Then we're just gonna hot glue it right in front of that knob on the hat and we're good.